Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about parabola. We will discuss how to find vertex, focus, axis and directrix of a parabola, and we will see how to sketch a parabola with these informations. Okay, we will start with the definition of parabola. A parabola is obtained by the locus of a point that satisfies a specific condition. The condition is the distance of the point from a fixed point is equal to the distance of the point from a fixed straight line. So here this is our fixed point, this is the fixed straight line, and P is any point of the parabola. So as the definition, the distance of P from F is equal to the distance of P from this line. Look at here, we have say from F, and say we consider P here, then we can see the distance of F and P is C here, and we can also see from here that from P the distance of M, that means the distance of P from the straight line is also C. So these two distances are equal. So for parabola, the distance of any point P from a fixed point F and from a fixed straight line is always same. So for parabola, we can say FP is equal PM. Now what is eccentricity? So the eccentricity is defined by the ratio of these two distances. So we can write eccentricity E is equal Fp over Pm. Now as for parabola, these two distances are equal, so for parabola eccentricity will be 1. Another thing, parabola is an open curve, so it has no center. So what is open curve or closed curve? Say for example, we can take circle. So a circle is a closed curve, but otherwise a parabola or shape like this is an open curve because it is not joined altogether. Okay, so a parabola is an open curve and hence it has no center. Now we have some formula to find the axis, vertex, focus and directrix of a parabola. So we will use formula for two different type of equation. Look at here, we have one equation here, y minus k whole square is equal 4a into x minus a. This is one type of equation. So for this type of equation, the shape of the parabola is like this. And for this type of equation, we have the formula for axis, vertex, focus and directrix. So this is the formula for axis, this is for vertex, this is for focus and this is for directrix. We have another type of equation here. X minus a whole square is equal 4a into y minus k. So for this type of equation, the shape of the parabola is like this. And for this type of equation, the formula for axis, vertex, focus and directrix are like this. So when we have a parabola of this type of equation, x minus h whole square is equal 4 into y minus k, we will use these formulas. Okay. We have another form of equations. So the basic differences from these two equations and the previous two equations are, we have another extra negative term for these equations, and for this type of equations the shape of the parabola is like this, and for this type of equation the shape of the parabola is like this. So look at here, this is the directrix of the parabola, this is the axis of this parabola, this is vertex and this is focus. Okay. So in a total we have 4 basic shapes of parabola. Something like one is the parabola opens to the right, the parabola opens upward, the parabola opens to the left, or the parabola opens downward. The direction of the hands of the parabola actually depends on focus. Look at here, for this shape of parabola we have vertex here and focus here. So we can see from here that the focus is right to the vertex, so the hands of the parabola will be directed on the right side, or parabola opens to the right. Again, for this parabola, this is the vertex and this is the focus, and from here we see that the focus directed upward from the vertex. Okay, so this type of parabola, the hands of the parabola will be upward, or the parabola opens upward. Now for this shape, from here we can see this is the vertex and this is the focus. So from the vertex the focus is directed to the left side. Okay, so for this type of parabola the hands of the parabola will be directed on the left, or the parabola opens left. And for this type of parabola, look at here, this is vertex and this is focus. So the focus is directed downward from the vertex. Okay, so for this type of parabola the hands of the parabola will be directed downward, or the parabola opens downward. And from this 4 shape we can see that the vertex and the focus stay on the same line, and this line is known as the axis of the parabola. Now we have several problems here. So the first problem, we have to find vertex, focus, directrix and axis of the parabola of this equation, x square is equal negative 8y. Okay, so we can write this equation like this: x minus 0 whole square is equal to negative 8 into y minus 0, and we can compare this equation with the standard form of the parabola x minus h whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k. Then after comparing we will get h is equal 0, k is equal 0, and 4a is equal negative 8, which gives a is equal negative 2. Now we will apply formula. So we will apply formula for this type of equations. Okay, so we have the formula for axis. For axis we have x is equal to h, this implies x is equal to 0. We have vertex h k, which is 0 0, focus h comma a plus k, which will be 0 negative 2, and the formula for directrix is y is equal to negative a plus k, which will give y is equal 2. Now this is the sketch of the previous parabola, x square is equal negative 8y. So we have the informations: vertex, focus, axis and directrix. Okay, so now if we want to draw it, so first y axis and then x axis. Okay, so this is our x axis, this is y axis. So look at here, first we will draw the vertex. So the vertex is 0 0, so this is our 0 0, and focus is 0 negative 2, so say this is our 0 negative 2 position. So this is the vertex and this is the focus. Now from here we can see that from the vertex focus is directed downward. Okay, so the shape of the parabola or the hands of the parabola will be directed downward. Okay, so we can draw the parabola like this, and it is directed downward. The parabola opens downward. Now we know that the vertex and focus is on the same line, and this line is known as the axis of the parabola. So the axis of the parabola is y-axis. So again from here we can see that x is equal to 0, which implies y-axis. So this is the axis of the parabola, and directrix of the parabola will be what? Y is equal to 2. So this is our, say, y equal to 1, and this is our y equal to 2. So in this direction we have a straight line which is the directrix of this parabola. Okay, so in this way we can sketch a parabola. Now we have another problem. Okay? So in this problem the equation of the parabola is like this: y plus 1 whole square is equal 8 into x minus 1. So from here we can write actually y negative 1 whole square is equal to 8 into x minus 1, and we can compare this equation with the standard equation of parabola y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. So after the comparison we will get h is equal to 1, k is equal to negative 1, and 4a is equal to 8, which gives a is equal to. Okay, now using formula we will find axis. So axis will be y is equal negative 1, vertex 1 negative 1, focus a plus is comma k, which will give 3 negative 1, and directrix will be x is equal negative 1. Okay, so using this information we will, so look at here we have vertex, this focus, this axis y is equal to negative 1, and directrix x is equal to negative 1. So we have these informations. So if we want to sketch this parabola, so first y axis and then x axis. So this is our x axis, this is y axis. Now look at here, the vertex is 1 negative 1, so say this is our 1 and this will be negative 1. So this is the position for vertex, and the focus is what? 3 negative 1. So say this is our 3 and this is the position of negative 1. So this is our focus, and we know that vertex and focus is on the same line, and this line will be the axis of the parabola. So this line will be what? Y is equal to negative 1. So this is the line. So now from here we can see that the focus is directed right from the vertex. So the parabola opens to the right, or the hands of the parabola will be directed to the right. So we can, and we know that the parabola goes through the vertex, so the shape of the parabola will be like this. Okay, this is the vertex and this is focus. And now the directrix of the parabola is what? X is equal to negative 1. So say this is the position negative 1. So here we have a straight line, x is equal to -1 as the directrix of the parabola. Okay, we have another problem here, and in this problem the equation of the parabola is like this. X square -2x -2y plus 2 is equal to 0, and actually this equation is not in the standard form of parabola, so first we have to convert this equation to the standard form of the parabola. So we have to complete the square first. We have what? We have x square -2y. So to complete the square we need what? Plus 1, and we have again -2y, and since we have 2 here, so we can take another 1. So now from this we can write what? X minus 1 whole square is equal to, if we take the other terms on the right side, we will have what? 2y minus 1. Now if we take 2 common, so we will have on the right side 2 into y minus half. So this is in the standard form. Now we can compare this equation with x minus a whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k. So after the comparison we will get a is equal to 1, k is equal to half, and 4a is equal to 2, which will give a is equal to half. Now using formula we have the value for axis, vertex, focus and directrix, and using these informations we will sketch this parabola. So here we have the informations for vertex, focus, axis and directrix. So to sketch the parabola, so first y-axis and then x-axis. So first vertex is what? 1 half. So say this is the position for the vertex, and then we have what? Focus 1 1. Say this is the position for focus 1 1. Now look, so the focus is directed upward from the vertex, so the shape of the parabola, that means the hands of the parabola will be directed upward, that means the parabola opens upward. Okay, so and look at here, vertex and focus are on the same line, so this line, that means x is equal to 1 will be the axis of this parabola. Okay, so this is the focus, so the shape of the parabola will be like this. Okay, this is V, this is F, and this is the axis of the parabola. Now the directrix, actually the directrix will be what? Look at here, the directrix is y equal to 0. This implies x-axis, so x-axis will be the directrix of this parabola. Okay, we have another problem here, and for this problem the equation given is y square plus 6y plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So it is also not in the standard form, and we have to convert it first in its standard form. So look at here, we have y square plus 6y. So to complete the square terms we need 9. So since there is no 9 here, so we have to subtract also 9 from this equation, and these two terms are given. So look at here, we have y square, so 6y we can be written it like this, y square plus 2 into y into 3. So we need actually what? 3 square. Okay, so for this reason actually we have taken 9. Okay, so now we can complete this square y plus 3 square, and we can take all the terms on the right side. So right side we have negative 2x plus 8. If we take negative 2 common, so that right side will be negative 2 into x minus 4. So now this is in standard form, and we can compare it with this equation. So after comparison, we will have AC is equal 4, K is equal negative 3, and 4 is equal to negative 2, which will give A is equal to negative half. Okay, so now using formula, we have the values for axis, vertex, focus, and directrix. Okay, so this is the vertex, this is the focus, this is the directrix of the parabola, and this is the axis of the parabola. So now using this information, we can sketch the parabola. So look at here, this is the shape of the parabola. We have vertex here, focus here, axis here, and directrix here. Okay, so to sketch this parabola, first y-axis and then x-axis. So this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis. Look, the vertex is what? V4 negative 3. So this is our 4, and this is our negative 3. So this is the position for vertex, and focus 7 by 2 negative 3. So say this is the position for the focus. So since vertices focus are on the same line, so this line x is equal y is equal negative 3 will be the axis for this parabola. And look at here, this is vertex and this is focus. So focus is directed left from the vertex. So the shape, the hands of the parabola will be directed left side, or the parabola opens to the left. Okay, so this will be the shape of this parabola. And the directrix is what? X is equal to negative 9 by 2. So say this is our 9 by 2 position. So in this position we have a straight line. X is equal to 9 by 2. This is the ellipse directrix of this parabola.